It's Sunday, it's Laba Day. Okay, dead.
Definitely dead. We got about 20 minutes.
ECS Asian Market. Go! Oh my gosh! Ayan na nga. Nakita ko na nga siya. Ayan na si Ligo Sardines. Guys, good morning. It's June 16 here in Texas, in USA. And it's Sunday. I'm calling my mom. She's not answering. Hindi siya sumasagot sa tawag. I don't know why. I uploaded my vlog, birthday vlog video, guys. But I just woke up. We plan on going to church today, Sunday. Kaso lang, hindi ko alam kasi yung isa tulog. He was really tired. Ang dami niyang ginagawa yesterday. Yun lang nakikita sa vlog kasi ano si Bill, guys, he is not really into vlogging. So, nakikita niyo naman, you really notice na I didn't feature him a lot of times in the vlog. People doesn't need to know everything of what he's doing, which I understand kasi kanya-kanya naman tayo, no? Like, we have different sides, different personality. May mga tao talagang ayaw mag-share. Even me, you saw me in YouTube sharing my life, but there are some certain specific pa dyan situations na hindi ako nag-share, or some things na personal, very personal. Most of you are happy na nakikita ako sa vlogging. Part of me vlogging here, alam niyo yun yung feeling na I don't have to pretend. What you see is what you get talaga. Like, bahala na if I look bad in the morning, bahala na. Like, you see the personality of me that I'm very bubbly, maingay, ganyan po talaga ako in person. I'm just so happy and I appreciate people so much. They accepted it the way I am. Hindi yung kini-question ako ba. Kasi most talaga sa nanonood, I don't know, kasi yung iba di naman nag-comment, but you just embrace who I am here in YouTube. So, thank you guys. She's doing a word search. Yan, binili namin yan sa, guys, binili namin yan sa, nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan ng, yung may bookstore na may coffee shop, I think 2 weeks ago. Book Annex. Doon kami. Kasi favorite yun na place ni Belle kasi may coffee shop doon. Plus, ang daming libro. Alam niyo naman si Belle, guys. Belle is really into books. Kung nakikita nyo lang yung living area, agoy, ugaw, i-sprayhan natin yan ng Mag-spray ako nyan. Kasi inayos na ni Belle yung hose yesterday. So, i-spray natin i-spray ko yung guys, itong sa labas kasi yung mas madumi. Anong tawag nito? Yung glass ng window. Ayan po yung yard namin. By the way, yung mga branches na yan, pipilian namin yan ng malalaking branches. Kasi gagamitin namin for firewood. Pero yung maliliit, itatapon namin. Meron siyang tree dyan. Uy, yun nga, madumi. Sorry guys, I'm just being real here. But, lilinisan natin yan. Umikot ka naman. Ayan. Ayan po yung yard namin. Hindi lang makita yung saan. Ay, tama na. Nagda-dry talaga yung lips ko dito. Super, super, super dry. Oh, ang tagal niya. Ayan, nagka-crack siya. Gamitan ko na yan ng I already used the Luka Pau. Tama ba yan? Pagka Pero ayaw talaga niya. Umalis ka na sa lips ko. Nakakainis ka na. Ayan, nakaligo na yung mga kids. Oh! You're so sweet. That's supposed to be my job, not yours. I'll make you coffee. No. Bakit naka-face? Nakakainis naman. It's tracking my face. I don't know how to remove it.
Go to face tracking and press off.
Nasaan ba yung face tracking dito? You look so good today.
Never seen me in a tie.
Because you did not wear that in the Philippines, babe. That's the first time I see you.
Like I'm gonna wear a tie there.
Very ka, para kang may-ari ng bangko. You look like an owner of a bank. Bank owner. You look so good. Okay, he's making his own coffee na. Supposedly it's me. Well, I'm gonna focus on the girls.
Yes, but, you know, you're very busy.
Well, I'm trying to figure out this camera. Hindi ko maintindihan. Are you cold? Let's go. Where is ate? Sige na, come on. Let's do your...
skills.
Cooking skills. Yung mga brushes. Oh, dahil naman lagi. Oy, I like your hair. It's nice.
No,
Ikaw na.
Copy doon, no?
Laban na po na.
Ay,
Okay, bugaw na kayo. Come here. Pag kuha na, oh.
napay gel, ma.
Ano naman ni siya? Uy. Pag... Ano na?
Hindi mo isulod yung birthday tapos madto kag McDonald's.
Ay, come here. Dali. Nakay, mula ka na daw ni daddy.
Ingon nila nag-cook na kag-work ka nila.
Yes, mula. Ang tatabak na lang, dili.
Madto.
Dili.
Dahil nakayin daddy. You have to be out here. Mga...
No!
It's cold. 30 minutes.
Huwag yun dito mo.
Come on. Are you cold? Sige, asa jacket dahil niya? Ano sa? Naay?
Tempo, ka na may
Ngot kaysa sa ilok.
Maasan ko.
Yok mo First time namin mag-church, guys, dito. Kasi nung nakaraang Sunday, actually, Belle was thinking about it. But, we are too tired. I mean, not too tired because we've been here for like, 15 days na ba? 14 days. May mga ginagawa pa kami. That's why hindi kami pumunta. But this time, meron pa rin naman kami mga ginagawa. But isisingit natin yung church day.
On my wall.
We cannot eat. We're stopping by at McDonald's to eat breakfast kasi di na kami nakapagluto, guys. Mahirap talaga mag-prepare, no? Dalawang babae, tatlo ako, ikatatlo. She was really happy when you said like, we're eating in McDonald's. First time. First McDonald's in the USA. Hindi kami nakapag-try na nakaraan. So, are you okay there?
Okay, so you can get hash browns.
No.
You can
Pancake.
get
Pancake and hot chocolate.
biscuit
What a biscuit?
with sausage or egg or bacon.
Yeah, that one na lang.
Or you can get a muffin with sausage or egg or bacon.
What
Or
do you
both.
want? Muffin?
Rice.
Fries? In the morning?
They probably won't have fries in the morning. They have
That's
hash
not
browns.
breakfast.
Hash browns.
No, you don't like hash brown.
Browns.
Biscuit, babe. They will eat that one.
And not pancakes because we don't have time to eat that.
Not pancakes muna. You will be fine, guys.
Just
Oh,
get
okay. You will
a little
survive.
breakfast sandwich that you
Yeah.
can eat with your hands quickly.
I have... How about hot chocolate?
Well, they like fried egg, right?
Yeah.
What can I get for you?
Okay, how many?
3.
3 number 5.
Hot chocolate
You said
one.
3 number 5?
Yep. Can I get hot chocolate with all 3 of those?
Night cheese. I know it's totally different.
Okay.
Thank
you.
you.
You have a good day. We got about 20 minutes, so we got time to get there.
Hi guys! So, tapos na kami sa church, guys. Nasa ano na kami. Dito kami nag-stop over sa Lowe's. Kasi bibili si Belle ng duct tape. Tatapusin niya yung kanyang punching bag na ginawa last night para maalis na namin yun sa living area. Kasi nagtatanggal nga kami ng mga gamit sa living area. Nakikita niyo yun sa vlog ko previously na sobrang kalat. Yes, kalat siya, guys. That's because ang dami kong gamit na nilabas ni Belle na hindi pa napuput away or nalalagay sa storage. So this time tatapusin niya yung kanyang punching bag and then unti-unti talaga yung gamit namin sa living area and then yung living area natin magiging bago na siya. Mukhang bago kasi i-repaint din namin yun, guys. Same color sa room ng mga kids. Kung nakita nyo yung room ng mga kids na maganda, that's because ni-repaint yun ni Belle. And it was nice. Alam niyo ba, it was nice na nag-church kami. It was nice meeting people. They are so very friendly and warm. They are not making you feel awkward. They are sitting on your table, talking to you, just wanting to know you. Ayun, maganda guys, maganda. Babalik pa kami next Sunday. So yung church pala na pinuntahan namin is First Baptist na church. Hindi siya Catholic church, First Baptist. Actually si Belle yung nag-introduce sa akin ng church na yun. Well, anyway, I'm not saying this para magiging rival naman tayo sa mga church na anything same lang naman ng Panginoon guys. So huwag natin gamitin ang religion as a competition or whatsoever. So you know, nice coffee, it's very hot. Bilis lang yun si Belle. Nandito lang kami sa car, nag-aantay sa kanya, kuha lang yun ng tape and then babalik yun agad. So bakit nandito kami sa car? Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, wag mong i-off yung aircon. Ang init kasi guys. If we go inside and then kukuha lang siya ng tape tapos pinatay namin tong car na to, walang aircon, ay sobrang init pagbalik namin. Hi, how was it? Punta din pala sila ng ano guys. They also like went to, you know, a group, pang kids na group sa church na yun. Sobrang ganda. They make friends, which is really good. Ano ba to? Oh, ano pala to ni Daddy? We are home in the cold again. Nilalamig na naman ako guys kasi nasa bahay kami. Well, actually, it was very cold in the church earlier. I was not really prepared. I didn't know that it was really cold. Good thing I had scarf on. I brought my scarf, but the kids use it. Okay, they are also cold. We are back in the room. It's cold, so I'm wearing, I think this is Belle. Ang Belle to guys, and then pants. This will be my first time to see how it looks like in an oven, like a French fries in an oven. But I told you to change clothes. Why? Freezing cold. Sige na, pag-change na. I have to. Do you want coffee?
Fly swatter. Let me have the fly swatter. On the table.
Make sure that you can kill. You're a Navy. I trust you. The one. It's gone. Where is it?
It's right here. I'm just letting it crawl up a little bit.
Did you kill it?
No. I wounded it. Man, this fly is tough.
Oh, he must be working out. Okay, dead.
Definitely dead.
Buwang. Nabili namin to. Where did we buy this one? Walmart?
HEB.
HEB. Is this like already they're seasoned?
They're frozen.
Yeah, but this one is seasoned already or no?
Seasoned? No.
Huh?
Nope.
Lalabhan natin to kasi ko pa to nalabhan. Nung dumating kami dito, June 2, nilagay ko na to guys, hindi ko pa to nalabhan. So, nalabhan natin siya. What's the best thing about being here is that doing your laundry guys, it's easy kasi itatapon mo lang siya sa washing machine na automatic na nagwa-wash, nagde-drain, nagre-rinse. Wala ka nang gagawin. Lagay mo lang siya doon, lagyan mo ng sabon, then bahala na siya. Tapusin yung laundry mo. And then after that, pag complete na siya, kukunin mo lang siya, and then ililipat mo naman siya sa dryer. Which is maganda kasi if feeling mo like ang dumi naman ng higaan ko, or you can just labahan mo lang siya in 2 hours. Oh, fresh na yung ano mo. Mga bead sheet mo. Pwede mo nang gamitin ulit. Kaya ito yung ginagawa ko. I don't have to buy them an extra bead sheet and ano tawag nito? Comforter, because I can just wash it and then within 2 hours it's ready to be used again. Diba? Malinis na siya, mabango na siya. And then yung ano pa. Labahan na ito ni tanan kaya para clean.
I put it through 2 rinses.
It's all two.
Okay.
I'll give you a little bit of view of our living area as of now. This is just temporary. Okay, we're cleaning up things here. I know I didn't really like share about this one, but normal. We're living in reality.
All the people who
What?
follow my Instagram and my
Saw this?
YouTube have seen
All
this
this?
space.
Not in my vlog
With all
though.
the stuff on the walls and the bag, and
Yeah.
I mean, I've already removed half the stuff that was in.
Anyway, guys, we are planning on moving this TV to here. But that's after we repaint this, or after we painted this area here. Same color, like I said, same color sa room ng mga bata. So, it will be, instead of beige, this is beige right now. Hindi nyo lang siguro makikita. But yeah, we'll change it into lighter gray color. It will be better, I'm sure. And then magtatanggal kami ng frame.
She said she knows the answer.
Tatanggalin namin yung frame. Ito kasing isa, parang yung bahay niya, ginawa niya ng ano guys. So, basta dito na side, walang frame na mangyayari. Or depends kung meron akong design na makikita. Sa Pinterest na naman kasi sundugo na po ako guys. But then, he will be, I'm sure itong picture na to, and then yung picture na yan kasi favorite niyan, it will stay here. Pero it will be put up there on that side. Kasi yung TV dito eh. Diba? Yan. So, messy pa talaga siya guys. Just understand, temporarily, ito yung scenario natin. Tanggalin natin to guys. Kasi iwawash natin to. Ito. Mga lamhunod. Ang daming shoes ni Belle dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong plano niya sa iba. Hindi naman sinusuot. It's Sunday. It's Laba Day. It's a very nice pillow. Tempur-Pedic. Tama ba? Tempur-Pedic? Kasi parang siyang ano guys, yung memory foam ba? Tapos kahit ilang beses mo pa yung ganyanin, babalik. Soft niya, tapos malamig siya sa ulo. Alam niyo yun? Sobrang soft, ang ganda. Sarap matulog sa kanyang pillow talaga. Ang dami nating nilalaban today ah. Kinuha ko na. Laibog na lagi. Alis kami guys. Punta kaming Asian store. Ni-request ko talaga yan. Ni-request ko talaga yan.
Ano magpalong?
Kailangan kong bumili ng mga product na galing Philippines ba, hinanap ko talaga yun. Ilang beses ko na yung sinabi guys na yung product nila dito, yung normal na binibili namin sa store, sa H-E-B, nako, hindi talaga yun yung taste ko. So the Asian store is nawala. Where is it?
It's a College Station.
It says College Station, yeah.
Yeah, all the way almost to the end of Harvey Mitchell. It's on the left.
So you've been there?
It's
You
right
stop over
across
there?
from the Walmart.
Baby, read the fine print I've got.
Here we go! DCS Asian Market. Ang init guys, and kami lang yung nagsusuot ng pants dito, and sweater ako pala. We are inside now on the store. Naghahanap na ako guys ng aking, oops, it's guba, sira na yan. Rambutan. I'm looking for the canned goods and snacks. Asi kabuti. Andito tayo sa area na ano to eh, pangluto. Wala man babe. Oh my gosh, ayan na nga. Makita ko na nga siya. Ayan na si Ligo Sardines. Ayan na si Pai-Pai. We have to put it in our bag. Like mani. Uy, kalderita style. Put it back. I'm gonna look. Bakit iba? Okay. Iba yung ano niya. Century nga siya pero iba yung kanyang flavor. Machado style. Ayan guys, so Century. Ay, ito pala. Yan. Oh, flakes in flakes in black. Flakes in brine. Dapat flakes in oil. Get me a basket, babe. Thanks. May dala kaming bag, diba? Sabi ni Bel kanina, dala ka ng bag para lagyan mo mamaya. Kasi nga, plastic palagi yung ano. But anyway, we are here and then nakita ko na itong mga pangluto ko, guys. Ayan. Oh, pero hindi ito yung hinahanap ko na mamasitas. Sorry? You found something? Bakit palabok? Uy, nakita niya yung stick. Oh. Bakit stick? Oh. Stick. Oh, yung nakita. Ano ba yun? Nakahangad maning atong camera. Oy, bakit ayaw mag, ano, center ka doon. Kakuha na yung dalawa.
There's a price on the shelf. Where they got it.
Wala dito yung inanap ko. Ah, thank you so much. Ni-request ko to kasi gusto ko talaga. I need a toyo also. Ito yung nakita ko, guys. Oh, mamasitas. Kaso nga, malaki. Malaki siya. Kailangan ko lang ng maliit kasi di ko to maubos agad eh. Di naman ako nagluluto always ng ano, prito. So, and it's $10. Agoy, asa akong silver swan. Where is my silver swan toyo here? Not a lot of choices though, but oh, perfect ang snacks, guys. Ano to? Many Korean product here, pero wala gaano ano Pinoy products. Babe, can I have biscuit? Biscuit.
Get whatever you can here.
Is that for sale?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. Ay! Oh, yun na! Pansit kanto. There you go. Kukuha ako ng maraming pansit kanto. Ay, bakit one by one to? Bukas or what? Where's Daddy? Look at me, I told you, it's cold inside. That's why I'm wearing this, but outside it's very hot. Marami din silang rice dito. Maraming rice dito, guys. O, meron yung jasmine rice. Pero it's not originally from the Philippines. Sa ibang bansa din siya. Sabi ni Belle, parang sa Thailand daw galing. Pero, bibili ako nito, saucer. Kasi kailangan ko ng saucer. Babe, can I get two? Hindi na nag-focus. Nainis na talaga ako dito, ah. Oy, careful. I'll get two of this. Kasi kailangan ko ng saucer. I need saucer. Can I have?
Yeah.
Sure.
Only two? They're $8.25 each.
$8? Are you kidding me?
I have no idea.
I have no idea either. That's too expensive. It's $8. Are you kidding me?
I don't know.
I wanted to
If you have
ask.
to ask how much it is, you can't afford it.
Nandito si Clover. Ayun, no? Clover. Ayun na, Clover. What? You wanted to get one? What's the flavor? Barbecue? I don't think so. Wala sila chippy? Ala! Oh my God! Ay, mura kong buang. Si Lala, si Marty. Ayun, si Uwishi. Oh my God. Sorry, babe. I found this. Magkano kaya to? Nescafe 3-in-1. Kung meron sila, tingnan natin. Nescafe 3-in-1. Oh! You know what? They have Kopiko. No, not Nescafe though, but they do have that one. And they have Milo. And they have Milo. Lululululu. Unsa man ni murag ang katabang ginamos. Murag ginamos siya. O si muna dilis. Ginamos siya, guys. Ginamos. Hindi pa ganahan si Bill sa baho ani ay. But this one. I think I'm gonna get a few of the canned goods too. Is it fine? No. Your favorite? No, it's not his favorite. He doesn't want me to cook dried fish in the house. We're finished. Thank you so much, babe. We are back home from Asian store. So I will be doing a haul for you guys to see what we've got from that store. So first time namin makapunta ng Asian store. So dinamihan ko na yung binili ko, guys. Oh my goodness. Ako na talaga. Ito na yung malalang request na ginawa ko sa buhay ko. Charot, joke lang. Request ko sa kanya. Kahapon, nung nakaraan pa ako nag-request talaga. Please, kailangan ko. We need to go to Asian store. Kasi gusto ko talaga makabili ng mga product from the Philippines. But, pagdating namin doon, yes, may mga nakikita akong mga product from the Philippines. Very limited lang. Ang marami doon is Korean product. Yes, Korean product yung marami doon, guys. But anyway, this is what we've got from... What's the name of the store again? See, I'm so easy to forget. BCS? I'm not sure. Nakalimutan ko na. So, bumili ako ng saucer. Kasi hindi mahilig si Belle magtusnod ba? Hindi siya mahilig magtusnod. Wala siyang saucer dito, guys. So, nagpapabili ako sa kanya. Yan. Dalawang saucer. Actually, meron naman sa Walmart. Pero, andun na kami sa Asian store and meron sila nito. So, ginrab ko na. Hindi ko alam yung price nito, guys. Asan ba yung resibo natin? Magkano ba yung ubos natin today? Oishi. Dalawa yung binili ko. Oishi. Asan yung isa? We have the wafer. Actually, stick-o. Ito sa Philippines. Pero wala silang stick-o. Pero I think it will be the same taste lang naman. So, para to sa mga bata. Then, bumili ako ng custard cream biscuit. Kasi para meron tayong makain-kain ba? Makaon-kaon. And then, dried mango. Meron kami dalawang dried mango. Yan, yung Cebu. Yan, Cebu dried mango. And then, cookie ko na candy. Masarap to, guys. And then, meron akong Argentina na lechon meat. Actually, meron naman si Belle dito na spam. Pero, tingnan natin. Try natin to kung masarap. Wala akong nakitang corned beef. Yun pa naman yung request ng mga kids. Then, kumuha na rin ako ng century tuna. So, guys, century tuna. Tatlong century tuna. Ayan, o. Diba? Para na to sa ating food lover. Food lover. And then, ay, finally nakita na ko. Pansit canton. Pansit canton. Pansit canton. Like, nilibot ko na yung buong HEB. Charot, nilibot. At saka yung sa Walmart, wala talaga silang pansit. Meron sila doon, pero iba yung taste nila. Pero ibang-iba talaga yung brand ng Philippines, guys. Siyempre, kasi nasanay tayo, diba? So, this one, meron akong Lego. Bugnawa sa akong mangga. Lego sardines, 3. Yan, pag tinatamad ako magluto para sa mga kids. Yes!
Good luck training.
Ha?
Good luck training.
Mag-training na mo, yung daddy. Ha?
Ano bang noodles?
Noodles. Ayun, sana karoon na. Aba mo i-food dito. Katura sa inyong ay, ito. Ito yun, isa natin wishi. Ayun, sa lagi ng...
Di man.
Pare, oh. Ay, magkaon sa limog kanton. Hindi mo kanon pag naka... Kanina akong hanap ng sauce na silver swan. Wala akong makita. So, meron silang silver swan. Hala, kaya. Mas dilaglahi ni siya. No? Pero, sana. Ito yung toyo. Laureate, silver swan. Na, may lang lagig mauni, guys. Hindi ako sure talaga. Gusto ko siyang tikman. Try na natin. Tingnan natin. Ay, poki. Padapin na ito ni mabuak. Gusto ko siyang i-try kasi baka mali or what. Pero wala na tayong magagawa. Kasi wala akong mahanap na silver swan na ano doon, toyo ba? Nakita ko to. Sabi ko baka yan na yan. Kasi yung, tingnan yung logo. Kaso lang, Laureate, soy sauce. Baka ito na. Ito na. Ito nga. Tama. Tama nga yan. Guys, tama. Yung amoy. Silver swan talaga. Okay. That's good. And then, meron tayong otap. Otap. And then, itong mga batang to, kumuha ng lollipop. Ano ba tong lollipop na to? Korean ata to. Yan lollies. Hindi yan, And then, yung aking mahiwagang onion. Kasi nakita nyo ba sa vlog? O nagbablog ba ako sa HEB? Parang wala. Yung onion kasi na nabili ko sa HEB, guys, Ang lalaki, puti. Meron silang pula na onion, pero malalaki din. So, sabi ko, sayang naman yung onion kasi hindi ko rin na magagamit buo. So, naghahanap ako ng maliit na mga onion ba? Ayun, nakita ko na siya. Perfect. And then, last but not the least, yung ating mangga. Hindi nga lang siya yung Bisaya na mangga. Yung sour na sour talaga. Ito, ano ba to? Apple mango ata to, guys. Yun, oh. Apple mango. So, anyway, I'm so happy. Babe, thank you so much. Ayan na, na-happy na ako. Sabi niya, this is not the last time na pupunta kami. So, babalik pa kami doon, of course. Kasi ano ba? Doon talaga, guys, no? Hanapin mo talaga yung origin kung saan ka galing. Hanapin mo talaga yung taste doon. So, ganyan talaga. But anyway, we're home. And then they are working on the bag, punching bag ni Belle. Hoy! I thought you're gonna help Daddy.
Mana?
Did you?
Ako may gatang-tangan.
What else, babe? They can help.
We may have to, this may not work.
You think?
Manakaw-vlog.
Why? Ayan na naman tayo sa Roblox. Ay, nako. Anyway, ayun na. May puput away ko na to, guys. And then, 6:45 na ng gabi. Actually, gabi. Sa Philippines, with the, pag 6:45 sa Philippines, I'm sure it's it started to get dark na. But here, sobrang taas pa yung araw, guys. Sobrang bright pa ng araw. So, among mata gasiga. Parang mahilom ng atong dryer. Ibiyaan na mong dryer. I'll be feeding the kids and I think we already had a long vlog. So, i-end ko na tong vlog dito, guys. So, I'm just so grateful for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I'll be able to see you again on our next update. Mag-update pa rin ako. Di man ako makapag-upload every single day, but I'm gonna update you guys every time I can make a video. So, see you on our next one. Bye, guys.